Pressing the Windows key and searching for the letters RX will load the SwidRx application as shown here. Firstly, choose to capture the active document or browse for an alternative. State your company's name. Specify which areas of your directory to include, such as Swid Design. Add a summary of the issue before defining the path for the files to be exported to. Selecting Save processes a generation of a compressed folder containing the SolidWorks files in the Pack and Go folder, as well as a condensed SWID data library. You can create an RX from the part or assembly environment from SolidWorks. However, when capturing a file for CAM or nesting, please ensure the correct library options are selected to include all required files. Selecting Machining, Machining Library, and Nest will essentially result in a copy of your post-processing folder, toolings, aggregates, and machinings, which allows us to replicate the same situation on our machines.